Living in King's Residences isn't just about having a place to stay. It's about making the most of your university life in central London. And the best part, so much more is included in your rent than you might expect.
In our residences, you can experience some of the most amazing locations in London. All of our halls are located in travel zones 1 and 2, making them really central and easy to travel to all of King's campuses. They're close to transport links and in the heart of central London.
Whether it's your first time moving away from home or you've done this before, knowing that there's a friendly residence management team available 24/7 makes a big difference. Day or night, they're available to help you with anything residence related, ensuring your safety and security. They can also coordinate you with the in-house maintenance team if you need something fixing in your room or your kitchen.
For those times when you need a little extra support, our in-house welfare team are here for you every evening and overnight. No matter what problem you might be facing, big or small, they are there to listen and to help.
Let's talk about bills. Forget the stress of managing multiple payments at once. All of your bills are included in your rent, from your heating and electricity to even super fast Wi-Fi and contents insurance. It's all covered.
Want to stay active between lectures? You'll get free access to your residence's on-site gym if there's one available, as well as Be Active, Resi sports and wellness sessions, and our weekly programmes of fun, fitness and wellbeing.
And finally, and perhaps most importantly, it's not just about where you live, but who you live with. Your Rent gives you access to Resi Life, our lively social program packed with weekly events, activities and opportunities to meet new people and create unforgettable memories.
Or if you're a postgraduate at one of our Grad Plus residences, you'll receive free access to our unique Grad Plus program, a package of benefits including special offers, discounts, workshops and events. It's your community and your chance to make the most of your time at King's.
So if you want more than just a room, if you want support, community and unforgettable experiences right in the heart of London, King's Residences has you covered. All of this and more is included in your rent. Welcome to your new home at King's.